Choosing a career can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down into steps makes it manageable. First, reflect on your passions and interests. What excites you? Next, assess your skills. Are you a natural communicator, a problem solver, or perhaps creative? Then, research potential careers that align with these passions and skills. Look into job descriptions, required qualifications, and growth opportunities. Don't forget to consider your values. Do you prioritize work-life balance, or are you driven by financial success? Once you've narrowed down your options, seek out informational interviews. Talking to professionals in the field can provide invaluable insights. Finally, trust your instincts. Choose a path that feels right for you, and remember, it's okay to pivot if your interests change. Your career is a journey, not a destination. Understand yourself, your interests, values, strengths, and personality. What do you enjoy doing? Use tools like the Holland Code or Strong Interest Inventory. What are you good at? Communication, problem solving, technical skills. What matters most? Stability, income, creativity, helping others, work-life balance? Use assessments like MBTI or the Big Five to learn about your traits. Research possible careers that align with your self-assessment results. Look into industries and roles that match your profile. Use online tools. Watch career interviews or day-in-the-life videos. Talk to professionals through informational interviews. Compare your top career options by considering job outlook and stability, salary and growth potential, required education and training, work environment and lifestyle, geographic location flexibility. Create a pros and cons list for each. Try out your top career choices before fully committing: internships, part-time jobs, volunteering, freelancing, job shadowing. Real-world exposure can give you clarity. Decide short-term and long-term goals. Short-term. Get relevant education or certification, build a portfolio, start an internship. Long-term. Reach a certain job position, start your own business, lead a team, etc. Build a roadmap to get from where you are to your desired career. Choose an educational or training path. Build your resume and LinkedIn profile. Start networking in your field. Learn continuously and adapt. Start executing your plan. Don't wait for the perfect time. Apply for opportunities. Keep learning and adjusting. Be open to pivoting if needed. Career paths are rarely linear.